พัง
Stand on sacred soil, stained by tears and time, where borders hold our stories, our reason to survive. Side by side with our people, hearts brave and strong. Through thunder of invasion, we still march on. In the shadow of aggression, when the night feels endless and cold, we lift our voices together, for the truth must still be told. We are one nation rising, unbroken and free, defending our sovereignty, our right to be. Through cruelty and violence, Cambodia stands, one voice, one soul, one call. With the hands of the people and the strength of our troops, we guard every inch of land, every hope of our youth. No fear can erase us, no force steal our name. This land is our promise, this fight is our flame. When borders are violated and silence tries to grow, we answer with unity, let the whole world know. We are one nation rising, unbroken and free, defending our sovereignty, our right to be. Through cruelty and violence, we will not fall, for Cambodia stands, one voice, one soul, one call. Not for war, but for peace we stand, with truth as our shield and justice in hand. Let history remember this moment in time, when unity became our strongest line. We are one nation rising, proud and aware, with dignity, courage and hope we declare. No aggression can silence our land or our law. Cambodia stands forever, unshaken, unscarred.
We stand on sacred soil, stained by tears and time, where borders hold our stories, our reason to survive. Side by side with our people, hearts brave and strong. Through thunder of invasion, we still march on. In the shadow of aggression, when the night feels endless and cold, we lift our voices together, for the truth must still be told. We are one nation rising, unbroken and free, defending our sovereignty, our right to be. Through cruelty and violence, we will not fall, For Cambodia stands one voice, one soul, one call. With the hands of the people and the strength of our troops, we guard every inch of land, every hope of our youth. No fear can erase us, no force steal our name. This land is our promise, this fight is our flame. When borders are violated and silence tries to grow, we answer with unity. Let the whole world know we are one nation rising, unbroken and free, defending our sovereignty, our right to be. Through cruelty and violence, we will not fall, for Cambodia stands one voice, one soul, one call, one call. Not for war, but for peace we stand, with truth as our shield and justice in hand. Let history remember this moment in time, when unity became our strongest line. We are one nation rising, proud and aware, with dignity, courage, and hope we declare. No aggression can silence our land or our law. Cambodia stands forever, unshaken, unscarred.
We stand on sacred soil, stained by tears and time, where borders hold our stories, our reason to survive. Side by side with our people, hearts brave and strong. Through thunder of invasion, we still march on. In the shadow of aggression, when the night feels endless and cold, we lift our voices together, for the truth must still be told. We are one nation rising, unbroken and free, defending our sovereignty, our right to be. Through cruelty and violence, we will not fall, for Cambodia stands one voice, one soul, one call. With the hands of the people and the strength of our troops, we guard every inch of land, every hope of our youth. No fear can erase us, no force steal our name. This land is our promise, this fight is our flame. When borders are violated